Hi everyone, welcome to another session. In this session, we will discuss sprinkler system. So we have multiple sprinkler system, but in this particular session, we will discuss two sprinkler system: dry pipe system and wet sprinkler system. So dry pipe system filled with air. So the pipes are filled with air, uh, and they they are filled with pressurized air or nitrogen, not a water. So the difference is dry pipe system is filled with air. There is no water. Um, it is not filled with water, right? So each sprinkler has heat sensitive element like glass, bulb, or fusible link. When temperature at the sprinkler exceeds to 60 centigrade, the element break, just like in the wet system. But when the sprinkler heads open, the pressurized escape through it. The drop in pressure opens the dry pipe valve, allowing water to rush into the pipes and out through the activated sprinkler head. So the main difference is between wet and dry sprinkler is there is risk of frozen water in pipes uh, in wet sprinkler, and but with dry sprinkler we do not have any risk uh, in frozen environment, right? So therefore this dry pipe system is installed freezing environment, parking garages, unheated warehouses, right? It is filled with the air. Slight delay, air escapes first and then the water. So it is mainly ideal for places where temperatures may fall below freezing, as no standing water in pipes means no risk of pipe burst due to freezing. Right. So once the head activate and air escapes, water quickly flow flows in from a connected water supply, right? So as you can see that we have material in this diagram AIS 316L stainless steel. Uh, it is resistant, strong, and durable, suitable for harsher environment, right? So it is good for freezing environment, right? So that is important point which we need to understand, and I think that would be sufficient for CISSP exam. So the two key points which we need to remember, which we need to understand, it is filled with air as soon as it exceeds to 60 centigrade. Um, then the sprinkler head, uh, the elements on the sprinkler head breaks, and air escapes first, and then water comes. So, and this particular system might have slight delay because of air escapes first, right? So these are the key points which we need to remember for the CISSP exam, right? And now the second is wet sprinkler system, right? So you can see in the wet sprinkler is always filled with water, right? It is this blue is water, right? As you can see, this is completely filled with water, and And the pipes are constantly filled with the water, as you can see shown blue in a diagram. This means the system is ready to discharge water immediately when sprinkler head activates, right? Heat sensitive uh, heat sensitive sprinkler head. Each sprinkler head contains heat sensitive elements like glass bulb filled with a liquid or fusible link. The element is designed to break a specific temperature, usually around 60 centigrade, right? As dry system. So you can clearly see in the diagram. So in this diagram, this red thermometer shows uh, when the temperature exceeds 60 centigrade, it is activation threshold, right? Another point is that there could be multiple wet sprinkler installed in different places on the ceiling, but only the sprinkler head near the fire activate, not all at once. So that is important. If we have multiple sprinkler all over the place, then only that particular sprinkle will be triggered, which will be very close to the fire. This limit water damage to be affected area only, right? So immediate discharge. Once the heat sensitive elements break, water flows instantly onto the fire, helping extinguish it or control it until the fire department arrives, right? And wet sprinkler systems are ideal for offices, schools, malls, residential building, any place where temperature stays above freezing area around, right? So it is not suitable for freezing environment. Dry sprinkler is ideal for the freezing environment, and this wet sprinkler is not suitable for freezing environment like unheated warehouses or parking garages, right? So yeah, the key point is uh, wet sprinkler filled with the water all the time, right? Instant water discharge. There is no delay, as we can see in dry sprinkler and heated indoor spaces, and not good for frozen areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. If any question, kindly paste in the comment section.